All right, so I'm going to try to classify this sentence for you as best I can. I'm holding my phone up in the air, so I don't know if it's going to work or not. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is read the sentence. 1, 2, 3. Over the rainbow, bluebirds fly freely. First thing we want to do is look for prepositions. Do you see any prepositions in this sentence? All right, over. Now we know what over is a preposition and not an adverb, because when you ask the question over what, you get the answer rainbow. So we're going to label over with the P for preposition. We're going to ask over what to find the object of the preposition, and that is rainbow. Over the rainbow. So we're going to label rainbow OP for object of the preposition. And then let's label anything we have in between these two. We don't have any adjectives describing rainbow, so we have the, and we know that's an article adjective, and we label it with the letter A. Now, before we finish up and move on to the rest of the sentence, we want to put our parentheses, or monkey hugs, we like sometimes call it just for fun, around that whole prepositional phrase. It's like a train with the preposition is your engine, this is your car, and this is your caboose. That's the end. So we're going to put parentheses around this whole prepositional phrase train so that it can be all by itself. All right, now we're going to ignore this now, and we're going to look at the rest of the sentence. Bluebirds fly freely. Now we're going to ask the question-answer flow questions, starting from the beginning. Who or what flies freely? The answer is what? Bluebirds, right? So we're going to label that subject, noun, SN. Then we ask the question, what is being said about bluebirds? Bluebirds fly. Fly is our verb. It's showing the action of what the bluebirds are doing. Now we're going to ask fly. To find any adverbs, we're going to ask how, when, or where. So fly how, fly when, fly where. Well, it looks like fly how, right? How do they fly? They fly freely. So that's an adverb. So we're going to label that ADV. Now, we don't have any more words to label. Looks like we've labeled them all. So we're going to go to the beginning of the sentence and label our sentence pattern. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. Now we're going to go to the end of the sentence. What do we see there? We see an exclamation point. So we're going to say exclamation point, strong feeling, exclamatory. And the label for that is E. So we're going to label that E. Next thing we do is go to the verb. Whoops, right there. Go to the verb and divide right in front of the verb with your line to divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Now we're going to underline the complete subject once. I'm going to do this the best I can because my paper is sliding across and I can't hold it because I've got my phone in the other hand. And we're going to underline freely with 2 lines. Now are we done? Have we finished classifying that sentence? Yes, we have. We did a great job. All right, I hope that helps you guys. I'll try to do another one with a prepositional phrase on the other side. All right.